Okay, game na. WSD keys to walk, hold shift to run, move mouse, E to interact. Hello!
Tsaka.
This Jollibee statue look creepy as hell.
Jolly Burger.
Anybody help?
Spicy tuyo, balot bigas. Dumb burger, ay dinuguan. Pabili dinuguan po. Uy, bugrits. Note. For more information. Jollibee. Kakain ka ng 15 na burger. Ano yun? Soft drinks. Soft drinks. 20% thicker buns. Pwede tumae? Kita lang sana sa Jollibee. Yun, burger. Kakaiwara ang burger ni guys. Door unlock. Raise your arm. Move your arm. Wave. Beg, dito ka magbe-birthday. Ganyan yung nandun sa picture, be. Eat 5%. Okay. Ito yung unlock na road. Lang dilim, be.
OMG.
Dapat tumitingin ka palagi sa likod mo pag gantong mga horror na game, eh.
Alam mo yung ganyan yung rules sa ganyan, never look back. Tapos bigla tatas mga
You should always look back. Hello? Ito ba yung CR? Eat 5 more burgers to unlock 10 in total.
Nag-hello siya, Papa.
Ito yung ma-unlock. Okay. Hello po!
Something daw.
There's a burger. There's CCTV. Hello! Let me out! Pwede ba mag-Dota dito?
Oh, Jisoo nandun.
Uy!
That's Jollibee.
Nandun siya sa laro.
Uy!
Hi, Jollibee! Uy. There's a note somewhere in this area. I misplaced it. I'm supposed to give it to you. The note contains instructions to activate the teleporter. Teleporter? You have to use the teleporter to obtain your reward. Anyway, leave me alone. I'm working preparing ketchups. Nagmura pa ito. Sorry, boss! Grabe ka naman. Hello? Anybody home? Ano ito eh? Dalawa pa.
Wow, no cute, oh.
Burger! Pahingi burger! Woohoo!
Uy, may spaceship.
Spaceship. Ay, baka ni ko atoy. Kasi naman adin ni... Dito spaceship na. The burger ni hamburger. Ito ni note. The first ever Jollibee for
Ay,
us.
sila yung ano, tingnan.
Okay. Sabi mo eh.
Shapeshifter daw.
Yes! Woo! A burger!
Malay mo si Jollibee pa na.
Burger! Ay, ito yung teleporter. Blue screen. Kailangan may format to, boss. So, babalik ako dun sa CR. Bathroom. Hey!
Ayun si shapeshifter.
Ito na teleport. Yung button kanina. Apo. No, how can she do to me? She betrayed me. I love her with all my heart. Wow! I have 3 hearts. My queenie, peachy, bubbly, cute, spooky babe. I'm dying right now. Ayun. Automatic nagko-close yung door. Isbo na muna.
Nagbayad, nasa 5
Hala. Tas meron ako nakita sa baba kanina, pinindot ko yun eh. Hello bro. Ewan ko, syempre, baka may jump scare or ano.
Nakakatakot na si Jollibee.
Galing ka na dyan. Wala dyan.
Reaction check!
Oh, nag-oy ka lang talaga. Baka kayo nagpapakaligayahan niyo.
Ay, umalis na siya.
Umalis ka.
Andito. Oy, teleporter activated.
Sabi nga, tika mo.
Hello, Jollibee! Yeah, I'm back!
Baka
Uy, ito yun. Sa backrooms. There's another teleport around this area. Wow!
The A.
Second nga daw yan, sabi niya eh. Tibbs!
Jollibee ba yung...
Tibbs, burger. Nakalak. Ay, baka pag 14 na burger. Ay, yung B. Ops, ops, ops.
Sige siya biglang sumangon.
Hanapin ko. Baka nandito sa loob tong C. Hanapin ko muna yung isang burger.
Nakita ko kanina.
Yoo-hoo! Jollibee, where are you? Where's the other burger, bro? Ay! O, diba? Yun yung na-door unlock na yun. Baka nandun yung C. Uy, Jollibee. Jollibee.
Ayun yung si.
Op! 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 Op!
Yan.
May note. Basahin ko. You reverse use a teleporter. Lo, nakaganon siya, oh. Umiiyak. Please don't look, I'm very shy and very insecure right now. My girlfriend broke up with me yesterday, even though I'm handsome. I should hit the gym to get her back. But anyway, my big bro told me there's going to be food coming. Maybe I can share it with you when it comes back. Thanks, big bro.
Ayan yung... Baka button siya.
Si AB. Boop, 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 boop. Hop, hop, hop. Ah! Tumaray. Where's the A? Ito yung B. May umiiyak, naririnig ko. Ay, teleporter. Ah! Iyak lang.
Oo, ayun. B. Invite ka.
Okay, teleporter. Where the fuck is teleporter? Sarado naman. Uy. Ay, hindi. Baka dun sa Jollibee. Hello? Hello? Teleporter activated naman na. Ayun o. Burger! This is the 15th turn. Yung teleporter sa baba. Ito yung note kanina, no?
Ay, nawala siya.
15, Jollibee Burger. Okay, let's go to my car. Bye-bye. It's so creepy. This place is so creepy, guys. It creeps me out. Yung nasa labas.
Yung pinakabalik.
Ay, hindi. Need ko mag-teleporter. Kasi yun yung pinagpasukan ko kanina. Ito. There's a note. Checkpoint. You see, we are really like you, but we're hungry too. The 16th burger rate is full of spices to make your flesh taste better. Ala, kakainin daw ako. You know what I mean anyway. We give you a chance. You can still activate the teleporter. We prefer our food running for its life anyway.
Si Jollibee kakainin.
Kakainin ako. So, i-activate ko ulit si AB, di ba? Okay, fine. Si AB.
Ay, namot lang ni Kia.
Tama na! Tiyak ko! Wait lang, panoorin natin. Kamay ngay. Huwag ka na malad, doon ka na sa likod. Baka mapanaginipan mo, be.
Sige, magtagtagain mo.
Alam, magpa-birthday ka pa sa Jollibee, be. Okay. Kamay ngay. So may maggigulat dito for sure.
Kalay na lang siya manhod.
Hop.
Ay, hindi yan totoo. Fake lang yan.
Bahala ka dyan, Jollibee. Pangit ka pala. Paya mo yung anak ko, Jollibee.
Baka pakiktot lang na AC, Gavin.
Oh, run! Ah! That's the A, B. I did the C, bro. Ahoy there.
Ano
Ahoy!
yung
Ate Gaming IC, nakatagtaga rin. I see, nasa loob pala ng kan. Hello, hello. Ay, Aymanin.
Kini Jollibee!
Saan siya? Hey, where's the A, bro? Where's the fucking A, bro? Oops, no, no, no. Whoop, whoop. Ay, stuck ako. Audience impact. Ratings neto ni Jollibee 10/10, may napaiyak na bata. Ops, ops. Oh shit, wrong way, wrong way. Wait lang. Ah! Yes. Wait lang. La 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 la. Ah! Hindi ko makala! Ay! 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 Wow! Woo!
Tapos nag-teleport mo kaya.
Hindi, magkuhan naman siguro. Oh shit, may footstep ko pala. Oh shit, he's here, bro!
Puna gamin eh. Puna gamin eh.
He's here, bro. So I'm gonna go to my car, right? Ah, bro, put. Ah! Oh shit, car key drop. Hindi na nakakatakot yung tunog. Where's my key? Oh shit!
Pinagkakunan ko agad. Ay, kuya.
Iikutan lang kita.
Kasi isang bakit yun. Huwag ka sumusunod ka agad ng sunod agad.
Ay! Salit.
Ito lagi sumursurot di may.
Mahuhulog pa yung medyo susi mo. Takatang-tanga. Kasi tunog natin nga Jollibee ni.
Uray-uray yung may lakot gamin. Lahat na mga na.
Oh shit, hindi na pindot.
Saan?
Up! Open! Let's go to my car, bro! Woo! Woo! Natapos! Woo! Okay, it's done. Tapos na, me.
Ano yun?
Okay.
Rate 10/10, may napayak na bata.